Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 66, Application of Trigonometry, Section B, Tough. Let's start. The top of a broken tree has its top end touching the ground at a distance of 15 meters from the bottom. The angle made by the broken end with the ground is 30 degrees. Then the length of the broken part is, here we want only the broken part, this h now. So what's difficult? Quite easy. See, this is 15, this is h, this is 30. Cos 30 equals to 15 by h equals to 15 by cos 30, right? Root 3 by 2. So 30 upon root 3. Now if value of root 3 is given in the exam, or check the answers what is given, then solve it for 1.73. If not, then just keep it as it is. 30 equals to what? 3 into 10, root 3 into root 3, right? So root 3 gone 10 root 3. So either 10 root 3 can be the answer, or 10 into 1.73 means 17.32. That can be the answer. So anything, quite simple one. Okay. Next, the angle of elevation of a cloud from point H meters above a lake is theta. Means what? See, this is a lake, then there is a height h. Now if I stand here and look at the cloud, then the angle of elevation is theta. Okay. The angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is 45 degrees. Means I am standing here only and I am looking at the shadow of this shadow, in fact reflection we can call it, not shadow, reflection of this cloud in the river, in the water, and then this angle is 45 degrees. Okay. Now the height of the cloud is, means I have to find this height a, means from here, not only from here, I have to find this h also, means h plus a is the required answer for me. Okay. So what is given? 45 is given. So let's start. Look at this problem properly. See here, look at the differences. I am To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.